The police have launched a massive investigation in an incident in which a biker was wounded after a delivery truck driver was chased by the biker and shot at multiple times. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. We ask you please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos or we have breaking news to bring to you. So as we approach the festive season of Christmas, Christmas is a time where we celebrate with our family, friends, and also well-wishers of the year's accomplishment. However, it is also a time in which criminal activities increase significantly, and you have to be very vigilant during this time and take every necessary action or step in order to protect your own safety in public or in your own personal space. This time of the year, criminal activities increase significantly, and it doesn't even matter where you are or what business you're conducting. You have to be extremely careful, because over the years we have seen whenever it reaches this time of the year, there is always an upsurge in robberies, especially during the public Christmas festive season, and even with people conducting business and people at specific location, especially Western Union, the banks, supermarkets as well. And these financial institutions are targeted by these criminals using different aspects of their skill in order to get a hold of the unknown individual, as they will track you down and they will rob you of anything that they deem valuable. Also, again, what increased during this time is people leaving valuable items in their motor car, especially phones, laptops, handbags as well. Please don't leave these things inside your car, especially when you're conducting business and you can't have eyes on your personal belongings. These individuals, they will break your glass and they will steal whatever valuable you have within your personal space. Now, the story that I want to talk about though is an incident that occurred in Dyke Road, and this is in the corporate area. And this was like an action movie being played out on the streets after gunfire blanketed the air and sent people scampering for cover after a gunman traveling on a motorcycle fired at a truck delivery driver multiple times. And we're about to update you as it relates to that story right now, right here on Links007 TV. So it was like a movie scene being played out on the streets of Portmore St. Catherine through the peak hour traffic after bikers fired at a delivery truck driver multiple times. The only thing that was different from this, from a movie scene, was that the cameraman was not present and the director was absent in sight. So it has come to our attention that about 6:30 p.m. on Friday, two bikers, one with a pillion, began to trace a truck driver in the Passage Fort area shortly after he had made a delivery. The driver became suspicious and reportedly increased his speed as he was traveling along Dyke Road en route to Kingston. However, the bikers reportedly followed suit and began firing at the truck. As the truck driver tried to escape, he overtook a line of vehicle along the Dyke Road and hit a BMW motor car and a Honda CR-V at the Dyke Road Municipal Boulevard roundabout. Amidst the chaos, the driver spotted the police doing traffic duties on the eastbound lane of Highway 2000 and quickly entered the highway via the access road near the roundabout. However, the bikers continued to pursue the truck driver. The truck driver finally managed to reach the police and alerted them about the gunman. It is reported that the police immediately challenged the gunman and a shootout ensued between them. One of the gunmen was hit while the others escaped. The police said that the injured man was taken to hospital and is in a stable condition. However, he is on the police guard, and the police are carrying out more investigation in order to ascertain what was the real motive behind this attack. It's just the bravery and the quick thinking of this truck driver that made him survive this actual event, because it seemed as if they wanted to have robbed him of cash or whatever valuables was in the truck itself. But he tried his very best and he was able to elude these individuals and give himself enough time in order to reach to a era in which he could actually get the help of the officers. If this was not so and it was a lonely road, this situation would have gone otherwise. But it's good to say that he was able to actually elude them for enough time for him to actually seek some sort of help. And as I can tell you, I just tell you that during this time you have to be extremely careful, especially when you're conducting business out there on the road. This is not the time where you lay your head careless, as many would say. You have to be very vigilant, you have to be very proactive as well, because if it wasn't for the quick thinking of this truck driver, this situation could have gone otherwise. So he became very suspicious and increased his speed as he was traveling along the Dyke Road area en route to Kingston, and he realized that these individuals, they were still giving chase at him, and he still tried his very best in order to elude them. And in the end, he actually survived in order to tell his side of the story. And it's an unfortunate situation, but it's very good as well that he was able to actually hold them out in such a way that he could actually seek help and he was not hurt throughout the entire incident. So we have to be extremely careful out there and just take the necessary precautionary measures just in order to protect yourself during this difficult time of the festive season. And with the whole onset of the COVID and a number of people being out of employment, you can just imagine how serious it's going to be during this time. So you have to be extremely careful and just try to take that necessary step or that extra precautionary measure in order to protect yourself and also your family, your friends, and those that you care about. So try your best doing this for this festive season, and always remember, be observant around you. This is not the time where you lay your head careless. All right, this is Links 007 TV, and I believe I will leave in this one here for now. Thanks for watching and peace out. Bless.